All right, so we had a G2G Tactical shooting day with some actual true gun people over at the range today, and it went phenomenally. Just figured I'd give you an update and then give you a highlight reel at the end of this video so you could kind of see some of the really cool shots. So they had all sorts of guns, different calibers, different models, anyway, anything you can think of. And the different trigger groups and whatnot, and the split fire worked very well, and everything I thought it would work well. And we did some learning today. So the M&P, at least the 22 version, gonna have to do some, I think I can make it work, but won't be kind of an off-the-shelf deal for the 22 caliber anyway, which would be cool. But we had some binary triggers on there, and the binary triggers, I didn't expect them to work, but we know for sure that they do not work very well at all for that. Actually, they're not very safe. But anyway, on the guns we were able to try, there were some of them that, so on the triggers, on the parts I have, so I redesigned the lever, and I don't have those made out of the machine steel yet. I just have the plastic version. But on the plastic version, they're super weak. Had to reduce some wall thickness. But what I had were a few lowers to where I'd put them in, and they would not quite grab on that bigger nub. And so I was able to test not only that, where the reset nub is actually a little bit better, but also the clearance on the top part of it. We were able to try a whole bunch of different uppers, different calibers, and so a big win for us is the semi-auto versus the full auto bolt carrier groups. On some other super safety stuff that makes a difference. On this one, it's looking really promising that it works on both. So I'll show you some videos on that. We broke some levers where I kind of thought we'd break them. It just has to deal with the material weakness within the titanium. But as soon as we get these guys out of the hardened steel, they're going to be fantastic. But we were able to test the fit on it, and it was really awesome. Everybody was, we started off slow, kind of put it in to some guns that I didn't think that it would work on, and then we moved on to some guns that I thought that it would work on. And when it did work, like I said, we had some true gun guys out there that, again, I hold in very high esteem, just because of the knowledge and the tinkering and what they know. And anyway, it was awesome. It was really cool to go from a lot of them had binary triggers on there, and they were kind of showing those off. And then we went to the split fire rapid safety, and their jaws just hit the floor. It was awesome. So big thank you to everybody that was out there today. And anyway, I'll let you see some of the highlights that we were able to capture and fit those in, so you can see what how a split fire handles a drum magazine. So anyway, glory to God. Enjoy.
Hey, I've got the split fire RS. I just wanted to show you the semi-auto BCG in this gun.
Yeah, Virginia. I gotta do it like
this. There you go, rapid safety. G2G Tactical.
That's badass. That might be mainly my significant other. Okay. Yeah, Virginia. Okay. I got
There you go, rapid
That's
safety.
dangerous.
G2G Tactical.
That's bad. It's a little warmish.
You can slide.